Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Val if you are new to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, girl, it's been a minute. Long time no see. But we are finally back with a new video, a highly requested video. This has been on my to-do list for the past, I don't even know how long, but I'm so glad to actually just sit down and speak with you guys and share with you everything that I've been using and loving over the past 6 to 12 months now. So basically products that I've introduced into my routine, and I'm going to share that with you guys today. So let's get into it. Quick little backstory, that way this video kind of makes a little bit more sense. So a few videos back, I shared my opinion on the whole relaxer article situation. It was quite a buzz in the relaxer community, and it created a lot of confusion and a lot of stress, I would say. After reading those articles, I realized that there are several ingredients within primarily black hair care products that are more on the toxic side, so cancer causing. And I then realized that several of the products that I use, staples that I absolutely loved, had those ingredients. So I made a quick little audit of everything that I had and decided, you know what, these have to go. And trust me, it was the most difficult thing to do, because when you're so used to something and it works and your hair loves it and responds well to it, it's hard to let go. And I understand that, you know, a relaxer has chemicals, all of that, I get it. But when you're using something on a daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis, and it has specific ingredients that are toxic or cancer causing, you're going to want to evaluate what you're using. And that's exactly what I did. It's not to say that I'm telling you to do the same thing, but I'm just sharing with you things that I've found as alternatives to the products that I absolutely loved. And just an FYI, you guys, this is not really an in-depth product review of each product that I'm using. It's more so of like a high-level overview of what I've been using and why I like it and how it works for me. So just keep that in mind. But if you do want to have a little bit more detail as to a specific product, leave it down below in the comments and we can chat about it there. But just for time's sake, I'm going to be going through them pretty quickly, and obviously I'll leave all the links down below for you guys to check out if you're interested. All right, so first things first, let's get into my clarifying shampoo. So I used to use the ORS Creamy Aloe Shampoo, and I realized that that has formaldehyde in it, so I stopped using that. That was something that I would use on a bi-weekly or monthly basis, and I just realized that honestly you can use basically any shampoo to clarify your hair. You don't have to use a specific clarifying shampoo necessarily. If you understand ingredients, then you'll know certain surfactants can remove product buildup, silicones, oil, dirt, all of that. I now use my neutralizing shampoo. So I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the Affirm Neutralizing Shampoo, and I use this to remove product buildup, and it does an amazing job at doing that. This is part of my relaxer system, and it has ingredients in here that will remove, as I mentioned, product buildup, silicones, oil, dirt, everything that you just want stripped off of your hair. This will do just that. And the thing that I love most about this shampoo is that it's not stripping whatsoever. It leaves my hair very, very soft, very slippy as well. Like, you can easily remove the tangles from your hair, and my products just work much, much better after I clarify. So I use this. It kind of has that 2-in-1 effect. I use it for obviously neutralizing my hair, and then I use it for clarifying my hair on a bi-weekly or monthly basis depending on what I'm doing. So this is my baby. All right, so just for fun, I have been using another shampoo, not because my old shampoo was bad or anything, but it was more so, okay, let me try this out, see how it is. Maybe the girls want a different shampoo recommendation, so don't worry, I got you. And don't mind the bottle, it's kind of mashed in a bit, but you got to squeeze the product out, so that's why it looks like this. But anyway, this is the Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Shampoo. So this has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil in this, and let me tell you, this has been such an amazing alternative to my staple. And it's not that I'm trying to find an alternative, but it's just, okay, what else is out there that's affordable that you can find easily in the beauty supply store? This is it. And although it is marketed towards natural hair, relaxed hair can use it and benefit from this as well. Protein free, no bad ingredients in this, and it's very comparable to the Care Hydrating and Detangling Shampoo. Like, you guys know this is a staple, but this is like right underneath it. So this comes first, this is like second, or side by side. Amazing shampoos. Avalon knows what they're doing when it comes to creating shampoos that have slip, moisture, detangling abilities. Love these both. So if you can't find this, this is an amazing alternative. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And just for fun, I got to share with you guys the entire line because it's just that good. So here is the Curl Essence Moisturizing Conditioner. So on the bottle, it says that it's a rinse out conditioner, but if you read the directions at the back, you can cover your hair with a plastic cap and leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. So it does act like a deep conditioner as well. So you have that 2-in-1 effect. The pH balance is 5. The pH balance on the shampoo is 5.5. So that right there tells you that Avalon does not play in terms of quality. They give you quality pH balanced products. And I want to say this is under $10 as well. I love this in my relaxed hair. I've used it as a rinse out. I've used it as a deep conditioner just for fun as well. The leave-in conditioner is the bomb, okay? It's kind of on the runny side. I won't lie. It's kind of liquidy in a sense, but it really just melts into the hair. See, I'm done. I'm done. And I'm gonna get a new one because, oh, it smells so good. Because it smells good, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It moisturizes the hair. I've also used this as a moisturizer. Amazing. So I would recommend it as a leave-in or a moisturizer if you are looking for one or the other. This is also pH balanced. The entire line is so good. Highly recommend it if you are looking for, you know, a moisturizing deep conditioner with no protein. This is your best bet, and it can be a rinse out or a deep conditioner, so you have that kill two birds with one stone type of vibe going on with this, and with the leave-in conditioner, because this can also pose as a moisturizer. So yeah guys, definitely had to share, and I'm gonna re-up on the entire line because it's just that good. All right, so next up is protein, and this is a pretty big category for me only because there were 2 products that were staples of mine that I had to replace. So one being Aphogee 2-Minute Reconstructor and the other being the ORS Replenishing Conditioner, both having formaldehyde in them. Amazing products, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love them, and I'm not saying for you to go out and replace them. I just felt compelled to just find alternatives and try something different on my hair, and luckily I did find things that worked for me, or still work for me. So number 1 I would say is the Infusion K. So this is the Keratin Anti-Breakage Conditioner. First of all, the bottle itself is just a plus. I love anything in a big package. It just makes it more appealing, and I just know that it's gonna last me a while. So it says here on the bottle that it's the Ultra Keratin Complex. Hydrolyzed silk protein restores and strengthens weak or damaged hair, intensely hydrates and locks in moisture, enhances hair softness and shine. So this has hydrolyzed keratin, panthenol, I love. It has hydrolyzed silk protein, and it has hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed soy. It also has ceramides. So this treatment actually reminds me of the Aphogee 2-Minute Reconstructor in terms of the ingredients, the consistency. My sister actually put me onto this brand. She is obsessed with the Infusion K line, and she's like, Val, you gotta try it. So I'm like, okay, let me see what it's about. And I've been hooked since. This has done wonders for my hair in terms of just strengthening it and making it feel fuller and just more volume in a sense. You can get this at HomeSense or Winners if you're in Toronto or Canada for that matter, or you can get this on Amazon. They also carry the Sisssss shampoo to this as well, and that's more so on the clarifying side, but it's really good at just cleansing the hair and the scalp really well. Absolutely love this product. I love the fact that it has a pump and it lasts me like so long. So I'll leave this on for maybe 10-15 minutes with my plastic cap mixed with coconut oil, and I'll use a little bit of heat and we're good to go. So definitely love this and highly suggest and recommend it if you are looking for a protein alternative. All right, so last but not least in the protein category is the Shea Moisture. I don't know if you guys can see this. Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Treatment Mask. So this one obviously is quite common. You guys have seen this all over the hair care community. So I see a lot of people use this as like their main conditioner, and it's a little alarming only because it has protein in it. So I wouldn't use this by itself. I would use this followed by a moisturizing deep conditioner to kind of balance the moisture and protein levels in the hair. This has hydrolyzed vegetable protein in it, and it has hydrolyzed keratin. So you do want to be careful in terms of how you use it, how often you use this. I love using this after I shampoo my hair, apply this. It's super thick, so I recommend using it on like damp hair. That way it spreads better, and then you follow it up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. My hair feels so good. It feels heavier in a way. It looks fuller. It's strengthened. Highly recommend. You guys know the ORS is a staple as well, a fan favorite. So I'll leave everything linked down below, and let's move into moisturizers. All right, so next up is the moisturizer category, and this one kind of hits home a little bit more because my tried and true staple, my moisturizer, I had to get rid of. As you guys know, I loved and used Scurl No Drip Curl Activator. Like, that was my staple. That was my tried and true moisturizer for years, okay? And it did have formaldehyde in it. Using it on a daily basis or every other day and then spraying it close to my scalp where my new growth is, it just didn't sit well with me. I had to get rid of it, but I have alternatives and I'm going to share that with you right now. I love and use the Tilia Wajid Protective Mist Modifier. This is a leave-in conditioner, but you can use this as a moisturizer. It does wonders for me when I stretch my relaxers and I spray this in my new growth. And it's pretty similar to Scurl in the sense of it being glycerin based. It also has olive oil in here and wheat germ oil, which is great at conditioning and softening the hair. So I love using this whether I'm freshly relaxed or I'm stretching my relaxer. So this really helps. Great alternative and has clean ingredients. And of course, I can't forget my As I Am So Much Moisture hair lotion. This is a huge staple. It just makes my hair feel really soft. It smooths the cuticles. It helps me to retain length. So I love this moisturizer. It has been a great alternative. I put a lot of you ladies on this, okay? I've been seeing this in a lot of people's regimens and their moisturizing routines, and it's amazing that not only did it work for me, but it's worked for you guys. I'm really happy to see that others are liking this as well. I've been using this in my hair to moisturize it, whether it's every other day or every day. It is glycerin based and it is on the more liquid side, so just be mindful of that, but definitely recommend them. Of course, everything will be linked down below. I tried out the Scurl Free Flow Instant Moisturizer. This has been something that I've been testing out over the past few months now, and my hair has responded to it pretty good. So this is a natural hair refresher. It does have panthenol, it has steraclonium chloride like before. It has a lot of familiar ingredients that are in the original Scurl, but it also has a couple new oils in here. I want to say wheat germ and coconut oil, if I'm not mistaken. Those were not in the original. I'm still testing it out, but I had to share this with you guys because this is probably the closest I've found to Scurl. It's a little bit more thinner in consistency, I would say, because there's an extra oil in here, and it kind of hits home for me because it feels like, okay, like I still have an Scurl in my regimen, so it's kind of satisfied that void in a way, if that makes sense. You guys already know these are my tried and true staples, but this is obviously the new kid on the block, and it's been exciting just using something very close to home. So I'm still using this, still testing it out, but so far so good. You guys let me know if you tried the Scurl Free Flow Instant Moisturizer and what your thoughts are, if you find that it's similar to Scurl or not. All right guys, so that basically concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 2, where I go a little bit more in depth on other products that I'm using and loving in my regimen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification button as well. That way you don't miss any new videos from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.